Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Jazz light bulb. First, ensure your engine is off and cool to prevent burns. Gather your new bulb and any tools like a screwdriver. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect this connector. There might be a protective cover or some clips holding the bulb in place. Carefully remove these to gain full access to the old bulb. With access clear, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb and pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly, then firmly reattach the electrical connector. Finally, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Once you've verified it illuminates, carefully reattach any protective covers or clips you removed earlier. Make sure everything is secure and then gently close your hood. You've successfully changed your Honda Jazz light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.